Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have product for anyone who loves to pamper their feet, the ForPro 100CT/5CT Pedi Kit, designed for nail buffing and shine essentials. If you're interested in this product, we've included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the ForPro Pedi Kit? This comprehensive 5-piece kit is designed to elevate your pedicure experience, whether at home or in a professional salon setting. Each kit comes neatly packaged and includes everything you need for a thorough nail care routine. You'll find a whitewood nail file with an 80 out of 100 grit, a purple pumice pad for smoothing rough areas, an orange mini buffer for achieving that perfect shine, purple toe separators for a neat application, and a double edge wood stick for cleaning under the nails. One of the standout features of this Pedi Kit is its convenience. Each kit is disposable and individually packed, making it easy to maintain hygiene standards during pedicure services. This is especially essential in a salon or spa environment, where sanitation is key to client satisfaction. The professional-grade tools are designed for both pre- and post-treatment, ensuring a hygienic and pleasant experience for clients. Now, who is this kit suitable for? Well, it's perfect for salon owners and nail technicians looking to streamline their service offering, as well as for individuals who want to treat themselves to a spa-like experience at home. If you're someone who enjoys at-home pedicures or frequently hosts spa nights with friends, this kit is an excellent addition to your beauty arsenal. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you've had a long week and want to unwind. With the ForPro Pedi Kit, you can create your own mini spa experience in the comfort of your living room. Start by using the whitewood nail file to shape and smooth your nails. Next, take the pumice pad to gently exfoliate any rough patches on your feet. The mini buffer will help you achieve that salon-quality shine, making your nails look fresh and polished. Finally, use the toe separators while painting your nails to ensure a perfect application. In a professional setting, these kits can be a game changer. Offering clients a sanitary, complete pedicure package not only enhances their experience but also saves time for the technician. The double-edged wood stick is perfect for cleaning up cuticles or any polish that didn't quite make it onto the nail. In summary, the ForPro 100CT Pedi Kit is a practical, hygienic solution for anyone looking to elevate their pedicure game, whether at home or in a professional salon.